Okay, we're going to look at how to calculate the volume of a cylinder and a rectangular prism in this video. So I have my cylinder all set up here. Here's the formula we want to use. V for volume equals pi times radius r squared times height. So I always like to do my chart of variables here. So I'm going to use that approximation symbol. We don't want to say pi equals 3.14. You can use your pi button on your calculator. If it's not available, you can approximate it and use 3.14. Radius you are going to get from the circle part. Now you can see here I'm going to use a highlighter. If the line goes halfway through the circle, that is the radius, so I can confidently say the radius is 4 centimeters. Now we want to be careful. If we had the circle part and the line went all the way across and they had an 8 there, that's a diameter, so careful. So if they do give you the diameter because the line goes halfway, excuse me, not halfway, but all the way across, you want to make sure you divide that by 2. And the height, we can see here, is 10. So once you're all set there, you want to substitute into your formula. Remember, we're using brackets because it will remind us to multiply in its proper form. Want to take care of the exponent part first. So again, I don't advise doing this all at once. Some people just like to punch it all in on the calculator. I advise using it in these steps. So again, 4 to the exponent 2, not 4 times 2, but 4 times 4. And then we're going to multiply through here. And it's approximately 502.4 centimeters cubed to signify we took the volume of 3-dimensional shape. For a rectangular prism, so that is our typical box. So again, we got this formula here, length times width times height. So you need those 3 variables. Now, depending on which way you look at it, your length, width, and height might be different. So when I'm looking at it this way, this one right here is my length. My width would be 8. And my height would be 5. But again, you're not wrong if you look at it from a different perspective, and then or you turn the shape upside down or standing up, then your length, width, and height are going to be different, but you're still going to get the same answer because it's the same shape. And I'm just going to substitute in here. Remember brackets because you're multiplying. It's still the same shape and you're still multiplying the exact same 3 values. So it doesn't matter which way you look at it from what perspective. And that one's going to come out to 400 centimeters cubed. Okay, that was volume of a cylinder and volume of a rectangle.